Hello everyone, welcome back to Hulu Distills channel. I'm Yulia. Today I'm gonna show you how to assemble this Dephlegmator Kit. First of all, I'd like to introduce all these parts to you. This is a 4-layer crystal glass tower. There are 3 1.5-inch clamps and 3 1.5-inch sealing rings. This is a reflux tower, and these two parts are thermometer model. This is an 1.5-inch to 2-inch converter. There are 2 gifts for you. This is a cleaning damper, and this is Teflon band. This is red and blue water pipe fittings. If you want these fittings, you could buy it through our official website. Now let's get started. First of all, I like to assemble these thermometer models. Before we start, we should put this 4-layer crystal glass tower in the right way. And the 1.5-inch connector should put it upper. Now we put an sealing ring and connect it with the reflux tower. Then fasten the clamp. Next, put a seal ring again and connect it with the thermometer model. Then fasten a clamp. The next step is to connect these red and blue pipe fittings. Connect the red water pipe with the reflux tower. It connects the upper hole. Please pay attention to this cross valve. We should connect the cross valve with the reflux tower. Next is the 1.5-inch to 2-inch converter. You could connect it upper down the converter. In the different assemble way, you could connect different equipment. If you use this equipment for a long time, you want to clean it up, you can loosen the clamps and connect the 1.5-inch cleaning damper. Put a seal ring and fasten the clamp. Now you can pour some hot water and citric acid through this hole and wait for about an hour. It will be very clean. That's all for today's video. See you next time.